this spirit of family, Trinidadian roots have found a new soil in Jamaica.
I got a really exciting job opportunity that required me to move to Jamaica. And I was married with 2 kids, so of course they had to come along. So my husband and my 2 kids, who were 1 and 4 at the time, joined me for the journey. And my husband, Mr., who everyone knows as Mr. Triniyaad now, was my stay-at-home husband dad for about a year. Until he got an opportunity to run the cafe.
Running that cafe was the turning point for Mr. Rambaran, CEO of Triniyaad. Having gotten his foot wet, Mr. Rambaran started to infuse his Trinidadian cuisine in the island. In August of 2023, the business kicked off, and 1 year later, it has mushroomed into another location and the establishment of a kiddies play area.
We have doubles, we have aloo pies, we have bacon. We also do roti, macaroni pie. We do like provisions, which in Jamaican is called food, but like we stir fry it. So we have very similar ingredients, different styles of cooking. We use no all-purpose, no powdered seasonings, right? No browning. So we make all our stews from scratch.
But what was the journey to get here?
We started the business with nothing, right? So like when we first started Triniyaad, it was me and the head chef. We decided that it's a great, it's like a new concept, we should risk it. So we literally got a contract with Yui. And we went downtown because my kids' school friends had wholesales. We went downtown and we took a loan of a stove, a fridge, right? A stove, a fridge, and a freezer.
And it took some time for the Jamaican palate to warm up to the taste of Trinidad.
Doubles is our #1 seller, is our signature dish. Is the thing we work hardest on, is what we started with, is where we suffered the most with, is where we got the hardest criticisms with. We took constructive criticism, we did it, we figured it out, and I think we're consistent at it now and we're ready to go.
Triniyaad is on a mission to preserve Trinidadian heritage, so they've launched their own sauces.
So we make our sauces, no preservatives, no additives, all natural, made from scratch, and it's like the most popular sauces back home. So we make garlic sauce, barbecue sauce, pepper sauce, chutneys. We started doing like Trinidadian pickles.
Located at 82 Lady Musgrave Road, the entrepreneur says he's now looking to
make this space the Trinidad after work spot, Lyman spot, and make it feel as though when you come in through the door, it's not you know you're in a Trinidad restaurant.